Dear MDT, how can personalized video boost enrollment rates? It probably isn't news that video is one of the most engaging pieces of content you can deploy to your prospective students. But what if you could take your video content and personalize it for each unique recipient? Now that's powerful. I am Gary with MDT Marketing, and if you haven't heard of personalized video before, I think you're going to be pretty impressed. Personalized video is exactly as it sounds. It's a video that's personalized, and it's extremely powerful, enabling you to deliver one-to-one video messages to all your contacts automatically at scale. This is how it works. You produce a video shell, a video that's designed to accept variable data, including text, images, audio, and video that's generated from the data you have on file for the recipient, like their name, program of interest, start date, anything. Here's an example. In this video shell, we have Samantha, our marketing manager, hosting a personalized video. It just needs to be linked to a database to render a final personalized video. Let's run through this video to see some unique ways personalization can be applied. Here, at the beginning of the video, this is a simple text overlay for the recipient's name to immediately establish the fact that this is no ordinary video. Here's another text overlay of the recipient's name, but this time it's applied to a physical item that moves on screen. It's a very compelling way to show a prospect a physical, personalized item that they will receive, like an ID card. In this example, we can see that the video itself can be variable. In this case, the user expressed interest in solar technology, so the video they receive is unique to that program. The best way to see how this solution can really amplify engagement is by trying it out yourself. We've set up a web form for you to try out this exact video. We put a link to that in our post. Check it out. So bottom line, why personalized video? It is high contrast content that's unlike anything that other institutions are sending out. And when worked into an automated enrollment optimization campaign, it's going to stand out and amplify engagement with prospective students by delightfully surprising them with unique, high-quality content that makes them say, wow. And that's ultimately going to increase contact rates and drive more enrollments for your institution. We've got a lot of information on this in our white paper covering enrollment optimization. We've linked to that in this post. Be sure to check it out. Have any questions on personalized video? Let us know. We'd be happy to help. Talk soon.